Hey y'all, Joe here, Southern Coast Cooking, coming at you tonight. Hi y'all. We got some beautiful tri-tips we're gonna sell at my local grocery today. We don't normally get tri-tips around here, but I said, heck, I'd pick them up. They're only $4.99 a pound. I don't know if that's a good deal or not in your area. So I got them, kind of cleaned them up here. And I got some of the Slaps Barbecue Moo Magic. This is a great tenderizing marinade that we're gonna marinate them in here tonight. Then we're gonna get them on the smoker on a Y640, do them low till they come up to my target temp where they're still gonna be about medium ready. We're gonna sear them off, y'all. They're gonna be awesome. But first, I'm gonna get them a bag with some of this marinade, this Moo Magic, y'all. See y'all in just a little bit. Y'all, so there it is. We're gonna put it back in the fridge, let that sucker just marinate. Mighty nice. All right, y'all, so we've had the tri-tips marinating overnight. They're a big piece of meat. They can take that. I'm gonna show you what we got here. I got them right down here on this just rack. And we're gonna hit them with this Texas Oil Dust right here. The original Oil Dust, all-purpose seasoning. This is great for steak, it's great for brisket, anything like that. Absolutely great for tri-tips. So that's what I'm gonna hit them up with here. These old boys down at Texas Oil Dust really know what they're doing. So we're gonna do that. I was thinking about injecting them with that overnight marinade. I don't think we need it, y'all. I think we'll have plenty of flavor with the marinade and just the Oil Dust. So that's what we're gonna do. We'll hit those up. We'll get them out on Lone Star here just shortly. All right, y'all, I'm out here at my Lone Star's Grillz pellet smoker. I've got it cranked to 250. We're gonna do reverse sear on these tri-tips. And we're gonna go low and slow at first. And I'm running Lumberjack, the charred hickory pellets. It's great for beef, okay? So that's what we're doing. We're about to get them on here. Hopefully y'all can see there. And we're gonna put them right here on the cooker. I'm gonna get some temp probes in them. I'm coming right back to you and show you what we're doing. It's gonna be real good, y'all. I'm gonna let you see how I set them up here. Got the temp probes, everything in them. And what we're gonna shoot for is about 110 internal in these bad boys, and until we sear them, okay? So that's what we're shooting for. So these tri-tips that hit about 215, no, I'm sorry, 115. It's about what I was shooting for. I'm gonna take them off, let them rest for a minute while we get the real hot for a sear. Y'all, now the grill came up to temp, about 450 degrees. Well, you know, that's actually it's at 471 now. I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here on the grill grates to sear off. Let me get out of y'all's way here so you can see what's going on. But yeah, we're gonna sear them for a minute or two. And that'll finish about 90. Get this foil off of here. And that's all they've been waiting on. That good sear. So one, two, get that on there. Let them go a minute or two right there. Oh, just like that. Okay. Oh, and I'll flip it. Y'all time just about up on that one. That side, we'll go ahead and flip them over. Look, yeah, we got sear going. Now, what we want to do, I got some of this Wagyu beef tallow from Fatworks. Seasoned beef tallow. Yeah, we want to get that. Alexa, stop timer. Get that on this side here. It's seared. Look at that. Beef tallow, just going down there, flavorizer, and we'll let that go another minute or so on that side. Look at that, what I'm talking about. Alexa, set a timer for 1 minute. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and baste this other side. I can take them off that hot heat right there. Oh. Go ahead and baste that with that Wagyu beef tallow. We're gonna go get my barbecue board. That's what we're gonna take them off on. Let them rest. Look at that. Is that not beautiful, y'all? Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. So we good to go. Beautiful sear on those. hit the shutdown button to grab my barbecue board, get them off of here. That's what I'm talking about. All right, y'all, we are ready to go now. Got the tri-tip, it's finished resting. Looking absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna zoom y'all in a little bit more. About slicing this bad boy, and as y'all know, you know, the grain goes two different ways on these tri-tips, so just gotta be careful. We're gonna slice all the way down this way to about right there, and then we're gonna take it in half about, let me see, that grain changes about right here. So actually what I think I will do is go ahead and make this cut here. So just go ahead and take the whole tri-tip in half. Look at that. Is that not an absolutely beautiful medium rare right there? That is gorgeous. Now, let's go down here to the tip. Let's just make some slices. Obviously, as it gets thinner down there, a little bit more cooked. Oh my goodness, y'all. So tender though. Let's just kind of push that out just a little bit. Back that up. Let me get where y'all can see these slices here. Oh my. That is nice. Oh yeah. Perfectly cooked, super, super juicy. Fan that out just a little bit more for you guys. And that's what I'm talking about. We got that. I got a little bit of this chimichurri that we made. Bring it all over here this way a little bit so you can see some. Maybe a little bit better. I think that chimichurri probably go well. Some of this here. Kind of. Let's get some right there. Oh yeah, that's meant for some tri-tip. That's beautiful. So yeah, we about to dig into that. I think we did an excellent job. Appreciate y'all for hanging in here with me. So we're gonna have to give it a try now. Make a little piece about like that right there. And go ahead and just, we'll try some with the chimney and without and see how it does. So let's just try the plain piece right here. Man, super packed with beef flavor, a little salty, a little bit of garlic, a good crust. Smoke coming through. That is fine. I like that. Oh, that's really, really good. Now let's try some with a little bit of chimney on it. Nice little zip right there. That is nice. Yeah. Tri-tip, I'll tell you what, when I can find it around here, I'm gonna get it. Especially when it's on sale, like it was, $4.99 a pound. You can't beat that, just gotta know how to cook it. And it's fantastic. Thank y'all so much for watching and joining my videos. Please like my videos, sub my channel. God bless y'all, take it easy. See you again here real soon with Southern Coastal Cooking.